Hello everyone, this is Matt Hoots with Sawhorse. I'm going to show you how to change out the water filter on your Samsung refrigerator. Now in this particular model, we've got the filter on the inside. Now you don't have to shut the power off, you don't have to shut the water off. This is a quick release system. Right now it's in the lock position, so we basically turn it counterclockwise, pull it out, and you can see we've got the old date on here. This is a little bit past due from changing out. We take the new filter, we put the new date. Now again, this is the date that we put it in. These last about 6 months. You push it in, turn it, and voila, that's as easy. Now it's a quick release system. If you look really close, so when you pull this out, water isn't going to shoot out all over the place. This actually engages the quick connect in there. It's got these gaskets on there, so it doesn't actually, water doesn't come out until you push this in. Now a little bit of water is on this, but when we're changing this, water doesn't spew all over the place. You don't have to worry about that. Let's test it out real quick, see if it works. And looks like the water is coming out, a little bit of air in the lines. I would recommend maybe a couple cups of water just to kind of let the, any loose charcoal or whatever's in the filter get out, dump it out, and you can probably drink this after a couple glasses. Thanks again for watching this video. We've got other types of filters that we've changed out. We've got one over here. We also have one over here. Give us a subscribe and a like. Thanks again. See you guys next time.